Hi everyone, let's do the unboxing of this airport by boAt. So I have already unwrapped it. So I so what we can see is so this box contains airport 441 extra buds, type C cable, manual, warranty card, and a catalog if you can see, and there are other details on the board. It says one touch voice assistant, so it's a touch pad. If you see, it's a 500 mAh carry case that is 4 times the charge. It means you can charge it 4 times. And ergonomic design. So let's see what's inside this box. Once we open, we see a box inside. Right here we see a cardboard box here which might be containing the cable. Okay, so if I take it out, you see this is the boat. So if we open it, so there are two ports. Once we open it, the light automatically gets on, and if you see what's inside this, if I take it out, you can see the two pins here which is used to charge this airport. If you see that golden color, this lightweight glowing is a touch area, so it's a very touch sensitive. It's comfortable to ears also. And okay, this was the one pad. The similar is with the same the another one also. Okay, it's the same container, so you can use it, you can keep it. If you close this, you see a light blinking here. It says charge. It has got a C type port, so you would be needing a C type charger to charge it. And if we see inside this box, so if you see this box, it only contains a cable. C-type cable doesn't contains a charger, so you might be have to use it your own phone charger. So it's a C-type, and there are extra buds in this packet which are yellow in color. So I can count is 1 2 3 4 approx, and there is a user manual inside this and few cards. So we'll try to pair it with a Bluetooth device. Let's see how it happens. So I'm switching out my Bluetooth device. So I'll take it out one device. It's showing green color, so it will start whenever we open it. So as soon as we open it, it start. You can see the blinking. So here we can see airport 441 showing. So once we click on this, it will ask for the pairing. So it says it has paired with my device, and at the top I can see the Bluetooth connected right here, if you see. So now the light has stopped blinking because it has now paired. I will go and take it out. And go to YouTube and if I play switch on my mobile data. So yeah, if I play it, I try to so when I touch the device, it on the side of the Bluetooth, it automatically pause. The voice clarity is good, what I can listen. That's all what I have to show it to you. So this is totally about the boat. Thank you. If you like it, subscribe to my channel.